Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RKD Motivational Vlog 58। जैसा कि आपको पता है, ये चैनल मैंने उन लोगों के लिए बनाया या उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए बनाया है जो अकाउंट्स में अपना कैरियर बनाना चाहते हैं, चाहे उन्होंने ग्रेजुएशन कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम में किया है या आर्ट्स स्ट्रीम में किया है। मैंने पीछे जो अपनी वीडियो रिलीज की है उसमें मैंने बताया था कि कैसे एक स्टूडेंट अपना कैरियर अकाउंट्स में बना सकता है। तो आज हम थोड़ा डिस्कस करना चाह रहे हैं या डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं ताकि आपको पता लग सके। तो सबसे पहले वी कैटेगराइज द बिजनेस as per entity wise. This can be the proprietorship business, partnership business, and the companies. Proprietorship, you must be knowing that it is the business run by individuals. Partnership is the business which is run by two partners or more than two partners. After that, it is divided or it is categorized into the companies. It is divided into two type of companies. One is private limited company and another is limited companies. Second, we can categorize the business as per the nature of the business. It can be trading, it can be manufacturing, or it can be services oriented. As you know, the accounting is required all over the world, and the principles of accounting are similar in the industries as per their nature, as per the entity. First of all, if we talk about the business starts with the transactions. Transactions can take place in any type of things. Means if if a proprietor introduces the capital in the business, it is a transactions. After that, he purchases the goods related to his business. The item will depend upon the business nature. Like if you talk about the karyana, then flour, maida, all the things will come under the purchase. Similar, it will depend upon the nature of the business. And in manufacturing company, the commodities are divided into the, say, raw material. Raw material basically used for conversion the shape of that goods. Raw material is required for manufacturing company to convert the raw material into the finished goods. There can be raw material, packing material, and other goods related to store and spares, etc. Now, in each business, the accountant is supposed or accountant is required to make the journal entries. Without knowing the journal entry concept, it will be difficult to post the entries in the software. There are different type of accounting software. Some of you must be knowing about. That is Tally, Mark, Busy, etc. Now, friends, we just give the brief about the starting of the transactions. We can say it golden rules of accounting. Means there are two types of entities and two type of sides will be there. One is debit and another is credit. The debit and credit is the base of total accounting. Now, you will be willing to know, or maybe if you are from the fields of accounts, you must have learned in the plus one the basic principle of accounting. But in brief, we are not going to be theoretical. We will now be on practical parts. I explain you there are three types of accounts. One is personal account, second is real account, and third is nominal account. Personal accounts can be categorized into the natural persons or the nominal persons. Here, we will not go into the detail. I think that is not required at all. I am telling you the rules of these three categories. Number one, real account. Real account, what real account covers? It is basically the goods, or it is the practical shapes, physical shapes you can say, like goods. Any type of goods gives the physical shapes, and cash, it is also the physical shapes. Personal account, as it appears from the name, it is related to person. Maybe Ram, Sam, Vinod, etc. It can be the name of banks also, like